is a relatively new UK-based prop firm that has been gaining attention since 2023. But the big question is it a reliable firm to trade with? Today we're breaking it down based on the two things every trader cares about: trustworthiness and trading conditions. Since its launch, Equity Edge has grown quickly, boasting a Discord community of 58,000 members and an active presence on TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter. On the surface, it looks promising, but the details matter. Equity Edge offers 3 account types: instant funding, one-step challenges, and two-step challenges. Instant funding allows a 3% daily drawdown and 5% max. One-step challenges target 10% profit with 4% and 6% drawdown, and two-step challenges have an 8% profit target with standard limits. There are some restrictions, like no news trading and no weekend holds on certain accounts, but overall the offerings are in line with industry norms. I personally tested their platform. While MT4 and MT5 weren't initially available, their custom trading tool integrates TradingView, which makes planning trades easier. Executions were smooth, with minimal slippage and spreads, and MT4/MT5 are set to return soon. Profit splits range from 80 to 90%, and payouts occur every 14 days, faster than many competitors. However, there are trustworthiness concerns. Trustpilot reviews highlight delayed or even denied payouts, especially for larger accounts or aggressive strategies. Many users have reported negative experiences, which is a red flag. For traders seeking a more reliable and affordable alternative, the 5 Years offers funded challenges at lower costs, with fewer complaints and a stronger reputation. On the positive side, Equity Edge is slightly cheaper, offers discounts up to 50%, and maintains a 4.1 Trustpilot score across 8,000 reviews. For traders willing to take some risk for a lower-cost entry into prop trading, it can be a viable option. Just be cautious with payout reliability. Overall, Equity Edge is a growing firm with decent trading conditions. But if trust and consistent payouts are your priority, proceed carefully. Equity Edge